Hi, I'm Hillary, your local realtor here in the Destin to 30A area. Now, when it comes to selling your home, not all renovations are going to pay off. The key is choosing the updates that actually add market value, not just spending money for the sake of it. So today I'm counting down the top 5 renovations that actually increase your home's value right here in the Florida Panhandle. I'm going to share you the real numbers so you know what these projects typically cost and what you can expect in return when you sell. Renovation number 1, kitchens. I'm sure you've heard it on HGTV that kitchens sell homes. Well, it's true, but you don't need to spend $100,000 to impress buyers. In fact, the oversized luxury remodels will rarely give you a good return if you're not already in a luxury market. So what does work? It's called a kitchen refresh. And here's what you can expect for typical costs in an average size kitchen. A mid-range update like quartz countertops can run you $3,000 to $7,000 depending on the size. New cabinet doors or refacing from $5,000 to $10,000, and updated fixtures or lighting right about $500 to $1,500. All told, the kitchen refresh can be about $10,000 to $20,000. Now let's talk return on investment. According to Remodeling magazine's cost versus value report, sellers often recoup 60 to 70% of the cost in added value. So here in the Panhandle, where kitchens are the heart of the beach gatherings, I've seen homes sell $20,000 to $40,000 higher just because the kitchen looked fresh and modern. So here's the reality. Buyers almost always head straight for the kitchen in the showings. So if it feels clean, functional, and updated, you've already won half the battle. Renovation number 2, bathrooms. Bathrooms don't have to be spa palace level, but they do need to feel fresh and functional. So here are some typical costs. A mid-range remodel, just think new vanity and quartz countertops, can run $1,500 to $3,500. Upgraded lighting and mirrors, about $500 to $1,500, and a new walk-in shower or updated tub, $5,000 to $10,000. Now on a hall bath, it can be total about $10,000 to $15,000 for a primary $15,000 to $25,000. Now on average, sellers recoup 55 to 65% of the cost. In coastal communities like ours, a clean, modern bathroom can tip buyers toward writing an offer over the competition. The key here is practicality. Avoid the trends that can date quickly and stick to finishes that feel coastal, airy, and timeless. Renovation number 3, outdoor living spaces. Here in the Florida Panhandle, outdoor living isn't just nice to have, it's part of the lifestyle. Buyers want to imagine themselves grilling out after a day at Crab Island or sipping wine on the porch with a Gulf breeze. The typical cost you can expect adding a simple paver patio runs about $5,000 to $10,000. Now a screen porch addition can be $15,000 to $25,000. Outdoor kitchens with built-in grills, mini fridges, and bar seating can start around $10,000 but can easily climb to $30,000 and up. Now, outdoor living projects often return 65 to 75% of the cost because they directly enhance the lifestyle appeal and make the home feel bigger. In fact, homes with functional outdoor areas here often sell faster, especially to second home buyers. Now, if you want one renovation that truly sells the lifestyle, this one is it. Renovation number 4, curb appeal boost. First impressions matter. Buyers are often making opinions within seconds, and if they roll up and a house doesn't look great, they're already docking value in their head. So here are some typical costs to get that boost. Exterior paint averages $4,000 to $8,000. A new front door can be $1,500 to $3,000. A landscaping refresh, mulch, sod, flowers, about $2,000 to $5,000. Add some exterior lighting, that's going to be $1,000 to $2,000. But believe it or not, these upgrades often return 80% or more because they're relatively inexpensive, but they make a huge impact. I'm going to tell you, here in Destin and along 30A, curb appeal is especially critical because buyers are often comparing multiple homes in one afternoon. So the one that really shines from the street is way more likely to win. Renovation number 5, flooring upgrade. Flooring is one of the first things that buyers notice when they walk into a home, and in Florida, it can make or break a deal. So here's the reality. Hardwood floors are not a good option in our climate. The humidity here in the Panhandle makes them expand and contract, which leads to warping and maintenance headaches, not to mention they're very expensive to install. Now on the flip side, carpet doesn't stand up to our lifestyle either. So beach sand, pets, and high humidity just wears the carpet out quickly and stains easily. And in vacation rentals, it's a real turnoff for guests. So the best choice for resale value here is tile or luxury vinyl plank. Both are durable, easy to clean, and handle humidity and sand without a problem. Just as important, buyers want flooring that's continuous throughout the home. So whenever you see choppy or mismatched floors from room to room, it just makes the house feel dated and cheap. So consistent flooring creates a sense of flow and makes the space feel larger and higher end. Typical cost for installing LVP is around 5 to 7 on average per square foot. Now, tile is a little more expensive, between $7 and $10 a square foot, depending on the quality, of course. The flooring upgrades often return 70 to 80% of the cost because they directly impact how move-in ready the home feels. On vacation rental properties, replacing the carpet with LVP or tile is just going to boost your rental appeal and your nightly rates. So the bottom line, skip the hardwood and the carpet. Tile or LVP throughout is going to add the most value in your Florida Panhandle home. Now let's talk about renovations that don't pay off. Not every project is a smart investment when it comes to resale. A few things that often backfire, like over-the-top luxury upgrades. Just think a $75,000 chef kitchen, imported marble that may look beautiful, but if the neighborhood doesn't support that price point, you're never going to see a return. That's something appraisers call an over improvement, and you never want to hear those words. Also, highly personal projects like elaborate home theaters, wine cellars, or oversized pools usually reflect the current owner's taste, not the next buyer's. Then there's solar panels. This one surprises a lot of people. Buyers like the idea of saving on electric bills, but they don't love the reality. Solar panels require maintenance, they're visually obtrusive, and if there's a loan attached, the new buyer typically doesn't want to take that on. And in many cases, panels can actually hurt your curb appeal and complicate the sale. So always ask yourself, will the next buyer see value in this, or am I spending for me? That's the difference between a renovation that pays off and one that doesn't. So let's recap. The top 5 renovations that add value in the Florida Panhandle are: number 1, the kitchen refresh. Your return on investment is 60 to 70%. The bathroom updates, 55 to 65%. Outdoor living space, 65 to 75%. Curb appeal boost, over 80%. Flooring upgrades, 70 to 80%. So if you're thinking about renovating, let's talk about which projects are going to give your home the best return. I offer free home valuations and can help you strategize updates that make the most sense in today's market. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Florida Panhandle real estate tips. And I'll see you in the next video.